The interior lights are controlled by these two buttons located just above the rearview mirror. If no button is pressed, the lights will illuminate and remain on for a period of time when the ignition is placed in the off position, when the doors are unlocked from outside the vehicle, or when any door is opened with the ignition in the off position. Press this button to turn the interior lights on. The lights will illuminate regardless of door positions. Press the button again to return to the neutral position. Press this button to turn the interior lights off. The lights will not illuminate regardless of door positions. Press the button again to return to the neutral position. The map lights are controlled by these buttons. Press the button located next to each light to turn that light on or off. There are rear personal lights located in the back seat of the vehicle. Press the button located next to each light to turn that light on or off. When this switch is in this position, the cargo light will illuminate when the liftgate is opened. When the liftgate is closed, it will turn off. Use this switch to change the cargo light to always on or always off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.